everyone, welcome to my channel. I'm Josie. Today I'm going to do a DIY on making jewel hearts. And what you will need is one of these wooden hearts or something similar. You can buy these at Michael's, Dollar Tree at times, Walmart. Also, I bought some Gorilla glue. It actually is sturdier than the regular, and I had been using the other, but this is much better. You'll need tools to take backs off of your jewelry. And also, don't do what I did. I pinched my skin, and of all days, I ran out of Band-Aids. So, I use glue gun and also this Elmer's Craft Bond glue. Works really well. Now I started one. What I do is I usually focus on the center. To me, that's the focal point. When I look at the heart or even one of the crosses that I make, I usually look at the center. To me, that's what gets my eye. So I actually started a video and showed, I was going to show you how to do that, but my video goofed up, so here I am starting again. So I have glued those down, and actually I can, in a little bit, I'll show you on another one. I'll start two. Okay, what I do on the outer part, I usually use pearls or rhinestones, whatever you prefer. Or you can use beads. There's multitude of things that you can use. Here's some earrings that I know no one would wear, so I will use them for crafts. And those would even work on the outside of your heart. So there's just a lot of things. You can use buttons. Here's some military brand new buttons that you can use on your heart. I wouldn't use it on the edge, but okay. On each of the pearls, on each end, naturally, there's a little hole. So I try to line up the holes so they don't actually show. So, okay, let me lower my camera. Here I am talking away and you can't see anything that I'm doing. Sorry about that. There we go. And I'll put some more pearls in and show you. And you can tell right now I don't edit. I'm working on a program and I will eventually edit my videos, but right now you see my mistakes and that's okay. And naturally, you have to be careful about burning yourself, and most people who use the glue gun always do burn themselves. And it gets really stringy, but after it dries, you know, it's easy to remove. Also, what I try to do is, like you can see right there, these are flatter pieces. I think it's nice to have that 3D effect. If you have your flatter pieces, then if you want to put rhinestones or something, you know, bling, you can put it over, and then like I said, it gives that 3D effect. It's not flat. And I do my Christmas trees the same way, same process. I'll do a few more of the pearls. And I will do a video after I, you know, finish these, but it actually takes hours and hours. You don't do these in just a couple hours or a day. I like to leave mine out on the table, and I can walk by and I think, oh, that piece would look really good there. That one didn't stick good. And I don't know about you, but I get glue all over my fingers. I'll show you how I remove backs too. Try not to slaughter my fingers. Okay, let's add a few more pieces to the center. Now here's a rhinestone piece. Let's see, how about right there? See what I mean about, I'll put the camera down and maybe you can see that better, or I'll hold the heart up. Okay, this is what I'm talking about. Do you see how I added that rhinestone piece over the flat piece? And it just gives that 3D effect, which I just love. Now, if you don't like that and you just want to do them flat, that's purely up to you. But I do like that effect. And I was taught that process years and years ago. Okay, here is a broken leaf actually, and I may just put it right there. And I love doing these. They are messy, and sometimes you burn yourself. But takes a lot of jewelry, and that's why people buy craft lots. You see, you just keep adding to it. Let's put another piece. Here is a key. Now I will remove the top portion. Hey, that came off really good. And let's see, where shall we put that? Sometimes you just have to kind of, I'm not sure about that. I think I'm going to put this leaf there first. Put that there. Oops, I didn't have that glued down yet. And not quite ready for that key. So you just have to kind of play around with your jewelry till you see the right place. And here's kind of a gunmetal piece that I will, yeah. And it's just kind of amazing how, as you keep going, and I even take little, rhinestone earrings. And okay, this back doesn't want to come off. I didn't bring my cutters, that's what I needed. Well, going to cut that. There we go. Just a little rhinestone. And this is tricky sometimes because you don't have much space to glue. And you can really burn your fingers. But you can just see, you can add to that bling. I'll add a few more pieces and then I'll do the center one on that blank one and show you, since I didn't get to do that on the camera. Now we have a butterfly. I know someone's going to say, you're ruining that jewelry. Well, these butterflies actually are very inexpensive. They've been around for years. There's millions of them. So, I like that. I'm not sure where I want to put it. I know when I made my jewel Christmas trees, and someone said to me, you're wasting all that good jewelry. Well, I don't consider it waste. If you enjoy doing this and you enjoy the results that you get, I don't think it's a waste. And yes, I have cut up good jewelry. Okay, there, that's what we have so far. And when it's done, the pearls will be completely around and this will all be full. There won't be any empty spots. And what I do is I get the little tiny pieces of usually studs and put them in those vacant spots. And that's when I usually use this, because I don't burn my fingers. And so that is a lot better. Now I'm gonna, since I goofed the first one and you didn't get to watch the center, I will do one. Now, how I decide on the center is there's a certain piece that I feel is attractive that I want to use. Now I have this one. That would make a good centerpiece. Oh, also, okay, there's a heart here. This is just an inexpensive pendant that I would not sell separately. And I will probably do that for the centerpiece. There's a little, for some reason, I bought this one at the Dollar Tree and there's a couple little spots, but it's going to be completely covered, so, okay. So you're not ever going to see, oh, this has a little handle, so it'll be a lot easier. Make sure I got it in the center. Yeah. Okay. I chose that one for that centerpiece. And then that piece would probably go really well with that. can use colored beads, colored stones. You know, Michaels has such great choices too. Okay. You can make them just all different. Just use your imagination. I'll put a few more pieces in that before I close this video. Now these earrings are damaged, so I can use them. Okay. Unless I sell a craft lot, I do not sell damaged jewelry, so you know where the damaged jewelry goes. And my, oh, that one's not damaged. I don't know why that's in there. This is, okay. How about this piece? Now on this one, you know what would look really good instead of the pearls? I will find some silver tone beads or rhinestones with the silver tone back. And I think, and then you could add some color, like some red, since it's Valentine's Day. And I have my original heart that I made. I put it in a shadow box and it's on my wall. And if you want to go back to one of my old videos, you can see it. Anyway, I'm going to end this for today. Hopefully you enjoyed this. I will actually do another video when I finish at least one of these. I'll try to finish both of them and show you what the results are. And I really hope that you will try this. It's not hard. It's messy. You need a lot of pieces of jewelry, but other than that, and you even might cut yourself or burn yourself with a glue gun, but it is not difficult to do. And I think the results are so rewarding. And I love mine on my wall. I've got it in the living room. I made 3 jeweled hearts, 3 jeweled crosses, and gave some for gifts. So for Christmas, I made my best friend a jeweled heart. So, and then I gave one of the jeweled crosses for Christmas. So it's a really neat project. Kind of late to give it for Valentine's Day, but you might consider next Valentine's Day. So anyway, hope you enjoyed it. I will do one when these are all finished. And I think my next sewing tutorial will be making pillowcases. I hope you would like that. They're not difficult to make. They're fun to make, I think. And basically with making pillowcases, the most important thing is the fabric you pick and the coordinating colors and mixing your colors together. That's what's really important. So thanks for watching and see you guys soon. Bye everyone.